Hi, West Perth. It's Jennifer from the library. We have a great little craft kit for Valentine's Day. Each kit contains everything you'll need to follow along with a CreativeBug video and make 6 fabulous little Valentines for someone special. There is a small cost for this kit. It's $3 per kit, and that makes the 6 cards. It's ideal for people aged 10 plus, but little ones could probably do this with some assistance. Each Valentine's kit contains 6 pieces of pre-stamped felt, some yarn, 8 Valentines, the instructions to the CreativeBug video, and also a material sheet. Items that are not included are a pair of scissors, a darning needle, envelopes if you choose to mail this, and some scissors. You may wish to check out our other YouTube video on how to use CreativeBug if this is your first time using it. You will need your library card number, the CreativeBug link, as well as the YouTube video explaining how to use CreativeBug will be found in the description box at the bottom of this video. If you would like a kit, feel free to email us at askwppl@pcin.on.ca or come into the desk to pick one up today.